Good morning, children. In 10th class, third chapter, physical science, third chapter is acids, bases, and salts. So, today we are going to study about acids, bases, and salts. So, generally, we know that acids are sour to taste and it turns blue litmus to red. Bases are soapy to touch and turns red litmus to blue. Now the acid base action towards the litmus paper and indicators. Acid, blue litmus indicator turns to red. Red litmus indicator, no change in color. Acid, methyl orange turns to red. Acid, phenolphthalein, no change in color. Base, blue litmus indicator, no change. Red litmus indicator turns to blue. Base, methyl orange turns to yellow. Base, phenolphthalein turns to pink. So these table must be remembered. Everyone should by heart. Now the chemical properties of acids and bases. The first one is reaction with metals. You see here in the first equation, 2 moles of HCl reacts with zinc metal and turns to zinc chloride and liberate the hydrogen gas. Next one is base. Here the 2 moles of sodium hydroxide reacts with zinc metal and turns to sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 formula and liberate the hydrogen gas. In both cases, reaction with metals, either acid or base, liberating the hydrogen gas. Second property is acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. You see here, metal carbonate is sodium carbonate, reacts with 2 moles of HCl and gives 2 moles of sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Next one is the sodium bicarbonate and HCl. Sodium bicarbonate formula is NaSCO3, reacts with HCl and turns to NaCl and water and carbon dioxide gas releases. So metal carbonate, metal bicarbonates reacts with acids to give the carbon dioxide. The metals reacts with acid bases gives the hydrogen gas. Now the another property is metal oxide reacts with acids to give the salt and water. Metal oxide is taking a calcium oxide plus HCl. Gives calcium chloride is formed and water. So it is salt, it is water. Next, non-metal oxides reacts with bases. Here we taking base is calcium hydroxide, is lime water, reacts with non-metal oxide carbon dioxide and converting into the calcium carbonate plus water. Here also salt and water is produced. So generally acid or base reacts with together and to give salts and water, that is called neutralization process, neutralization reactions. So in this neutralization process, so acid you take HCl, base you take the sodium hydroxide, both are the reacting together and forms NaCl, sodium chloride, and water is formed. Sodium chloride is salt, this is the water. Acid plus base gives salt and water. This is called neutralization process. So then generally the acids consisting H plus ions, bases consisting OH minus ions. Acid contains what? H plus ions. Base contains what? OH minus ions. These acid solutions in aqueous media produce the H plus ions. Acids produce the H plus ions in aqueous solutions in water media. So this is about the acids and action towards the indicators and properties. So once again I repeat, యాసిడ్స్ అనేటువంటి రుచికి పుల్లగా ఉంటాయి, అవి బ్లూ లిట్మస్ను రెడ్గా మారుస్తాయి. బేసెస్ అనేది టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు సబ్బులాగా స్పర్శను కలిగి ఉంటుంది, రెడ్ లిట్మస్ను బ్లూగా మారుస్తుంది. యాసిడ్ బేసెస్, యాసిడ్ బ్లూ లిట్మస్ను రెడ్గా మారుస్తుంది, బేస్ రెడ్ లిట్మస్ను బ్లూగా మారుస్తుంది. యాసిడ్స్ మిథైల్ ఆరెంజ్ని రెడ్గా మారిస్తే బేస్ ఎల్లోగా మారుస్తుంది. యాసిడ్ ఫినాఫ్థలిన్లో కలర్ చూపెట్టదు, బట్ బేస్ మాత్రం ఫినాఫ్థలిన్లో పింక్ కలర్ చూపెట్టడం జరుగుతుంటుంది. ప్రాపర్టీస్, యాసిడ్స్ ఆర్ బేసెస్ రియాక్ట్స్ విత్ మెటల్ గివ్స్ ది హైడ్రోజన్ గ్యాస్. మెటల్ కార్బోనేట్ హైడ్రోకార్బోనేట్స్ reacts with acid and produces the carbon dioxide gas. Metal oxides or non-metal oxides reacts with acid and bases gives the salt and water. Acid plus base gives the salt and water is called neutralization reactions. So these concepts should be remembered. Now going to topic about the making dilute acids. So dissolving an acid or base in water is an exothermic process. That means it is releasing the heat. Acid must always be added slowly to water with a constant stirring. If water is added to the concentrated acid, the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out and causes burns. So generally, while preparing the dilute acids, we take large quantity of water in container. For this we add acid slowly, dropwise. We cannot add water to acid. When you add water to acid, it causes burns. The mixture splash out. So this is the way. So only we are adding acid to the water. Keep in mind. Next is strength of acids and bases. The strength of acid and bases depend upon the concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion. So hydronium ion, how it is formed? H2O plus H plus gives H3O plus. The acid solution in water makes hydronium ion. The acid strength is depend upon hydronium ion. Base's strength depends upon the hydroxide ion. Thank you children. So this is a part 1 of acid and bases and salts. So we will learn more concepts in part 2 and part 3. Thank you. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.